my name is Luke Gates and I am the project manager here at Kingsley Park Terrace in Northampton. I've been operating as a contractor myself for about 15 years and I've been involved with this project since October 2024. The project will be delivered successfully because of the team that is here. We've got great contractors on board, we've got a great site team and the office team as well. We all work together to get the same outcome.
Hi, I'm Alan Forsyth, the Managing Director of Hockley Developments, who've been developing residential and supported living properties for about 15 years. We need a strong project manager. Today you've met Luke, you're a passionate guy there and keen to get his projects across the line on time. And you just have to keep monitoring it in terms of your programmes and making sure everything fits in to hit that. Contract selection is a big one, and as I said, we will occasionally, we have brought on a few local contractors who the project manager recommended and they've performed really well. So I think word of mouth, recommendations, all these things are very important to us. Yeah.